Guess who gets their last shots today? This boy. Then you're free. You can be out in the world. Out in the world, in the public. Oh, you don't want your shot? Oh my gosh, you're getting so big. He's so tall. Oh. Getting a little big for that crate there.
Look, that's how Wardell's gonna look.
Look at Wardell. We are here for Wardell's last vaccinations, and he is a free dog after this. He can roam the world. We can take him out on long walks. You excited? I'm excited.
Sure.
You just have to behave when we take you out.
I'm talking to him or Clay?
I'm talking to you. Oh my god, Clay looks so ripped.
Okay.
He's like, kind of like makes sense. If he's not.
Where'd I come? Whoa, 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 whoa.
Why did she put whipping cream in my coffee?
Cold foam. This is how I've been drinking my iced coffee lately. Oh, besides this is new. We're trying out the Starbucks.
Starbucks.
The Starbucks
That's your dad's
pre-made coffee, but I've been adding vanilla sweet cream cold foam on top.
Whipped cream.
What's your afternoon snack of choice?
Zooks. Dog treats. Get ready to try it.
Show it.
Bottoms up.
Wait, show it and then put it in your mouth so they know you're not lying. What does it taste like? Oh! My camera wet. You have to describe what it tastes like.
Like dog food?
How do I know what dog food tastes like? I've never tried it.
Just as good as the original.
Good morning, welcome back to the vlog. Hi. Off. So long and skinny, huh, quickly.
During 10 years of Game of Thrones. What's up? What's up?
We're just getting so big. Ooh, with my lens. Don't bite the camera. Ow. Ow. Oh, Clay's so short compared to Wardell now. What's up, you guys? It is a Saturday and we are not doing that much. I am in the middle of doing a wear test for the Fenty Skin. So if you guys want to see that video, that is already up on my channel. I actually haven't looked at it yet. A bit greasy. So I filmed that this morning. What else did we do today? Haven't done much. Just a lazy Saturday. It's been a few weekends that we haven't had any plans, so just taking it in this weekend and relaxing. But I wanted to show you guys what came in the mail today. I got in my Desi Skin. I'm a huge fan of vitamin C serums. I use one every morning. I have recently tried the Summer Fridays. I went through a whole bottle of that, and I'm currently trying the Sunday Riley vitamin C serum. So I wanted to pick this up because I typically use vitamin C every morning. It's something that I already use in my skincare routine. But I did notice, and like I'll show you guys without makeup, that I've always had some dark spots here, but I feel like they've gotten a little darker just on this side, because I feel like, because that's the side, like when you drive and stuff, the sun is on that side. Oh, look at this packaging. It is just so aesthetically pleasing, and I love neutral stuff, so I would love it if a line just came out with like all neutral products. Like, how cute would this look? Like, how aesthetically pleasing would this look? Sorry if you can hear Clay in the background. How aesthetically pleasing would it look if you just had like a whole line of skincare with neutral products? I mean, that's my dream. Excited to see what else she comes out with. And the packaging is, like, the cap is thick, and this is, I think, glass. Yeah, glass, and it's heavy, and it's just so nice looking. So I'm excited to try this. Dog haul.
Dog food haul. And like she,
You know something good? Okay, let's open it. It's dog food. Oh. This is cod skin snacks. They're supposed to be really good for the dogs. Beef bone broth, chicken bone broth, and did something spill?
yeah, this.
Oh shoot. Okay, I'll contact them.
Look.
We're switching his puppy kibble because this one is made with better ingredients and no filler. So hopefully he likes this. Cause it's spilled. No wonder you guys are going crazy. Getting so big.
Okay. Sit. Down. Okay, stay. Stay.
Quickly's turn first.
Calm to annoying. So that means you should be last.
Oh
my god.
You slipped. Watch your brother be.
Yeah.
You're not even getting played. Hey buddy, you're doing good.
I just meant like make sure. Oh, we're down.
In between.
Also, we bought the little green, this little green, it's like a spot stain remover that I saw all over TikTok, and we just used it on some little pea stains that Clay had up here, and it worked really good. You guys, look at my hair. I've been testing out these Velcro rollers that I got from Amazon, and I've tried it a bunch of different ways, mainly just like as my hair is drying, I will put them in the rollers and they look like I have a blowout. It's super nice, super voluptuous and smooth. But this is the first time I've actually curled my hair and then put it up in rollers. So I just curled the ends of my hair and then put them in rollers, and this is what it looks like. Time to take out the puppers. Virgo's like, what is this thing you're filming me with? Good boy. Your ears flapping in the wind. Oh, good boy. Hi guys, so we're doing a little training moment right now with Mr. Wardell. We're trying to teach him how to ring the bell when he has to use the bathroom, but it's really funny because he's really treat motivated. We're using cheese right now, and let me see if he'll do it on camera, but he was just like, he'll just sit there and whack at the bell and then expect a treat. Oh, he almost fell down the stairs. Okay. I don't have my tripod, so hopefully you don't fall. Belle? Yes, good boy. Belle? Yes, good boy. Belle? Yes. Let me get you more cheese. I didn't say it yet. He really loves cheese. Are you ready? Belle? Yes, good boy. Do you see his lip quivering? Belle? Yes. His fangs are, he has like double fangs right now. I don't know if you can see. He has double fangs right now. Yeah. Into the oven they go. This is how it looks. Let's try one. It's really good.
Yeah, I thought there were a couple mistakes down the stretch that the Lakers made. One, Anthony Davis had the ball on the block and his money.
Extra crunchy.
I don't know if there's any better matchup. It seemed like LeBron was a little frustrated that AD didn't go right.
I can't stop eating it. Good morning, puppers. Look at the new toys we got the boys. This is my favorite. It's supposed to be like Oreos. Triple fluffed doggos we got it from Target by BarkBox. You want an Oreo? Take one. Hey, there's another one here.
And he's a good boy. I'll start getting the wrong ends of the stick.
It's hot today, so I'm eating an ice cream, but we just got back from a walk. These boys are tired. You okay, buddy?